So hi guys, welcome to another video of Tech Studio. For more videos related to technology, please stay connected with us. Today, we will make a 3D printed robot car using Arduino. This is the fourth and final part of the series, where we will show you how to connect the circuit and how to write down the code in Arduino. But before this, if you missed the previous part, please check out the video from description. For more information, you can visit our website. Firstly, remove the bolts, which are already installed here. Then take some bigger bolts and insert them into the given slot. Do the same, as I have done here. Now, you need to put another 3D printed part to support your servo. Finally, take the servo and fix it in the car. Also use a screw to connect it with the 3D part. Now let's focus to the next step, which is circuit connection. Here in the circuit, we use Arduino Uno and L293D motor driver shield. Then gradually connect the motors to the motor driver. It's quite simple and easy to connect. Now moving to the next important thing, which is Bluetooth connection. Connect all the pins of HC05 with the respective pins of Arduino Uno. Here, we come to the end of the circuit connection. Now connect the Arduino with your computer and follow the steps. Go to the Arduino IDE software and then open the following code. Go to the tools and select the board type. Then select the port. Finally, upload the code to Arduino. After this, open the Play Store and download the application named Bluetooth RC. Open the application and connect it with your car. Now use the application to run the car. It's working. Now take a look how the steering is working. Now let's see how fast the car can run. Finally, take a look at the shock absorbers that I installed in the car.